Say hi, Charlotte.
Hi.
So today we're at Lake Canobolas in Orange. Charlotte's got a worm on her hook sitting in the water just out there a little bit with a bell on it, so if it goes off, she's probably going to do a mad rush, a mad dash to the rod. In the meantime, I think she might want to go for a swim. No swimming?
No, because I'm wearing a brand new jumper.
Too cold for swimming?
But this is baby.
Yeah, too cold for swimming, I think. Very smart idea. We put up in the car and all these ducks came towards us like they wanted to feed. It's pretty funny. So while she's worm drowning, I thought I'd pop out over this little thing here which they've built, walk out and see if I can drop something off the edge and see if there's anything to pick up. Well, it's pretty damp here. Hopefully I don't get drained. Alright. I can't quite get to that thing without getting my feet too wet. I'm not wearing my boots today, so might just stay here and wriggle it back in from here. I didn't bring a change of shoes, but if it gets quiet enough later on, we might move over to the other side where there's another fishing point. We can stand out just over there. It was raining before as well, but it's stopped, so that's good. Shut up, duck. Duck off. Alright. Couldn't get out far enough from where I was. A little bit of a mini boat ramp, like a kayak ramp or something. There's lots of ducks around here, so maybe there's some fish. I've never fished here before, so I don't know. So I've got Charlotte out there now. She's got one of my other rods and she's got a worm on there, so we're going to pop that out there. And I've just found a bunch of line here that some losers left behind. Again, always finding other people's line. Look at it. It was a ball, like a sinker, a hook, a whole bunch of line just laying here waiting for some poor innocent duck to get trampled and tangled and stuff in it. Shame we can't find out whose it is and find them or something, isn't it? Anyway, we've got it now. I'll go pop it up in this bin up here. I don't need the sinker or the hook, I've got plenty of them. It's a big sinker. Oh, it's nice, it's got a big hole. Be a homemade one. Yeah, it makes me a bit cranky when people do that. It's a very beautiful area though. Some seagulls here again. They really seem to be lost these days. I don't think they know where they're meant to be. Maybe they're lake gulls instead of seagulls. I'll go check Charlotte's little rod. See how that one's going. Hey ducks, look at these are the ducks here, look at them. Hey guys. Yeah. Having a good feed and a good drink. And the ducks did run into this line before, so it probably needs to be pulled in and redone. Probably has to get new worm put on it too. That'll be alright, we'll just pop him back out. Won't matter too much. There it goes. Bloop. And we'll just sit that nice and tight just there and wait for it to jingle jingle. How you going, Chuckles? Okay. You feeling the string? It's not pulling on it?
No.
No, let's reel it just a tiny bit in because it's a little bit loose. Make it a bit tighter. There you go. It really is a beautiful lake. I've never been here before. Bit windy too. I'm actually keeping an eye on that dark cloud over there. If it does start to rain, I guess we'll be packing it up a bit early. Nice and quiet here though. I imagine in the warm weather it gets probably pretty busy here. Child. I forgot to bring chairs with me. No, that's not rain. It's just a heavy mist. No, it's not. Apparently it's starting to rain. It's only spitting a bit. It's all right. So I'm trying to cast sort of near all this weed and everything because I think it'd be a pretty good hiding place for some of the fish that might be in here. I don't know what fish are in here, but whatever they are, they're probably not going to take my lure. But I'm trying to get amongst all this reed, and if I can entice it, maybe something will come out and grab. Or maybe I'll get caught on it. Oh no, got through. Maybe we'll take a walk up to the other little jetty spot. I'll see if Charlotte wants to come for a walk. Hey Charlotte, do you want to walk up to the other spot? Oh, big smile, I'd say that's a yes. Do you want to walk up to the other spot or what? Yeah, we'll want to reel this one back in? You can do it, if you want to. Yeah. Pop this
I sunk it.
under that side. Now, reel it back up.
Speedy.
The yucky, dirty worm's still on it.
Yeah.
But that's about it. Alright, I'll pull your purple one in for you. You can pull that worm off and throw it in the water. Yeah, just watch your fingers with the hook, please. Okay. It's like Christmas come early. Jingle, 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 jingle. Oh well. That went a bit gross, didn't it? That's alright. How'd you go, baby? Did you get that off? Yeah. Yeah. You don't want the worm.
The worms are there.
It's alright, some duck will come along and eat that. Alright, how about we just pick these rods up before we step on them and get hurt?
No, I've got one.
Nah. It's nowhere near.
Ready, I'm gonna start walking.
No, stop. Stop, you've got to be safer. Now don't move the rod, please. If you're going to do it, you need to grab the hook from down here. Stop moving, please. And we're going to hook it onto the rod.
That's what I have worms.
Now reel it. Reel it in for me, please. Oh, that's as far as it goes. Alright, it's alright, I'll pull it out instead. We'll go the other way. No, not yet. Wait until I finish getting all tangled first. Alright, now I'm going to grab this little hook and you're not going to spike me with it. Now reel it, please. That's it. That's enough. Thanks, baby.
Welcome.
Alright, we'll pop those ones in the car. Or do you want to keep using the purple one?
Put in car.
Alright. Are you going to use a rod as well, or are you just going to chill with me? What are you going to do? Yeah? Which rod do you want to use?
You choose.
Well, why don't you keep using the purple one and I'll change it over to having what I'm using.
Okay.
Alright. So, just keep an eye on the stuff. I'll go put this in the car. And we'll... Yeah, but I don't want you to get your woody dirty. Alright, so we're going to walk up the other side over here. And we're just going to switch Charlotte's from worm to lure. The worms were a bit old anyway. They probably weren't very tasty and they probably didn't look very appealing. So I threw what was left of the worms into the water for the whatever fishies might be there to have a quick feed. But we're going to walk up over here to where the council have actually put a little jetty pier looking, what's it?
A boat.
And it's actually been designed for accessibility. So if you're in a wheelchair, you can actually park your car up around here and get out and you can wheelchair your way onto it. And it was designed specifically for that.
If you're crippled, then you can use it.
Some more ducks.
Where? Yeah. Yeah, but there's barely any duck posting.
Yeah,
Birds.
it's a nice quiet little spot over here. Might have to get some actual rod holders, I think, because I couldn't find any good sticks to rest the rods on before.
Yeah, so you have to do the
So I used the fence
for me.
and I used the 10-year-old. Make good fishing rod holders.
You know my duck is
Look, someone's put petals and flowers and shit all through here.
One.
Look at this. Oh, that was a bit slippery.
Oh, look, there's different flowers.
Yeah. Oh, that's very nice along here. I don't know.
Oh, I know why.
Maybe someone got married here or something.
No. For people who die.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
You think they're poppy ones, do you? Like poppies?
Yeah. Remember, puppy only has like 3 weeks. Live now.
Yeah, do you want to hold this rod for me? And I'll fix your one up. Thank you.
Oh, did you already throw it?
Yeah, I already flicked it in. Alright, let me just rig up her rod for a lure. Alright, so Charlotte and I are both using little marshmallow baits. Look, come over, swing over here, baby, so we can show. Over this way, over this way, over this way. Hey. Oh, this one's starting to get a bit gross looking. There you go. Toss that one back in again. And mine's just out the front here. And if you're wondering, yes, I'm sitting down. Either that or I got a lot shorter all of a sudden.
Oh, look how old it is.
Charlotte's going to cast in on an angle. There you go, Dave. Very nice. Very good work. And those same ducks have followed us over here. Hey, ducks. They really do think we've got food.
We ended up finding flowers on the path. And then now I see a crazy bird.
Oh, I thought there might have been something there, but I was just snagged on something by the looks of it. It's alright. I want to bring it back in and pop a float on it anyway. See if I can keep it a bit above the waterline.
I want to see flowers with you.
Yeah.
How you have coffee?
Alright. It's a bit awkward because I'm laying down doing this, but you can do it. There we go. You can do it.
Now I wait. But it's very easy to do our different things.
There we go. Because my rod's longer and I've been doing it for a longer. Though I may have to get a bigger float. That float doesn't seem to be floating anything in the air, in the top of the water.
It can float. It does float.
Yeah, but it's not big enough to hold up the weight of the marshmallow. Otherwise it'd be at the top of the water and I'd be able to see it. You're going to rewind it. You're going to get a live action replay as well. Poor child doesn't know what I mean. Yeah, there must be some weed or something just there because I've got caught on it again. We had Indian food for lunch in the shopping centre in Orange. It was quite nice actually. And Chuckles didn't quite finish hers. She's only got a little tummy, so she's taking it home with her. We got some naan bread. It was pretty good. Yeah, we did great. It was a good meal. Yeah, that float's doing nothing. Ain't nothing like your mutton. So we'll take that floaty off because it is a very small floaty. What are we holding on for? Hold on, because I'm coming. Pretty sure that's the wrong tune. Huh? And flickers, like the dolphin. They call him Flicker. No, that's not right. It's Flipper, isn't it? Never mind. Faster than lightning. You think something bit it? Oh, you never know. There's fish in here. Maybe something did bite it. I'm not sure how often people actually go fishing with hoodies on.
I'm one of them.
It's certainly a different experience. Yeah. So we're not getting a lot of action here, unfortunately. But that was worth a try. And it still comes down to that winter doesn't seem to be the best time for fishing. I'm picking up a lot of weed and stuff and that sort of jazz, but no actual fish. There's quite a few little rivers around that I think would be good to fish in, but obviously they're a bit closed at the moment. But it's still been a fun experience out here with Charlotte. Oh, here comes the rain again. Falling on my head like a memory. We're going to get wet. And I don't have an umbrella. Oh, that's icy rain. Oh, that's like tiny hail. All right, we might have to seek shelter, I think. I'm getting hailed on. Tiny bits of hail. All right. Come on, Chucklehead. Let's pack up, baby. Oh, I'm up.
It's icy.
It is icy because that's very tiny bits of hail. It's not cold enough for sleet, so it must be hail. And because I can't resist, I have to cast one more time. You can head up towards that table up there under the shelter. I'll take the bag up. Well, I don't know if I'll publish this video or not, but if I do, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys.